Díogh Cara, how are you doing? Rud iontoch dhéanamh le teangólam ná bheith léamhs teanga sin. Fantastic thing you can do to learn a language is to read in that language. Ach is cinnte gur deacair an rud é a bheith ag léamh teanga eile freisin. But obviously it's a very hard thing to begin reading in another language. Agus uaireanta, bíonn siad deacair leabhar amach aimsí uaireanta. And even sometimes it's hard to find a good book. Sa bhí seán seo tá achhain iontoch a gcomhdait a chabhróidh tosú ag léamh as Gaeilge. In this video I have a fantastic resource for you that will help you get started reading in Irish. Mar sin, a railin, a shane, a do, a tree. An chéad rud mar sin ná cá bhain tú leabhar an Gaeilge. First things first then, where do you find books in Irish? Cínte gur féidir le dul isteach go leabhar bith agus cheannach. Obviously you can go into any bookshop and buy a book. Ach an dat no sé leat? No mé sé roiachar quit? But will you enjoy the book, or will the book be too difficult for you? Más mín leat leabhar léamh an Gaeilge an áthas fearr le tosú ná clubleabhar.com. If you want to get started reading a book in Irish, the best place to start is clubleabhar.com. Déanann siad a seach níl cabhar leat tosa ag léamh an Gaeilge. They do their absolute best on that site to help you begin reading in Irish. Bra nómuid ar an suíomh le céileanis le go bhfeiceadh tú céir atá an. We'll look together at the site right now so you can see what's there. Seo é clubleabhar.com. This is clubleabhar.com. An chéad rud a thuair tú faoi deara ná bhfuil sé go hiomlán as Gaeilge. The first thing you might notice is that the site is entirely in Irish. Ach, má tá sé sin roiachar quit, ná bhí bortha. But if that is too difficult for you, don't be worried. Is féidir le Google an suíomh iomlán a aistriú go béarla. Google can translate the whole website to English. Féach an seo, look here, tá sé níos méarla. It's now in English. Conas Ibring Clubleabhar. How does Clubleabhar work? An céad rud a dhéanann tú ná síneann tú sús ach tá sé go hiomlán saoirneasca. Firstly, you have to sign up to the website, but it's completely free. Agus an sin léonn tú, and then you read. Ar Clubleabhar, plain siad leabhar difriúil gach uile mí. On Clubleabhar, they discuss a different book every single month. Leabhar na mísa seo na Heartstopper iver dó. This month's book of the month is Heartstopper 2. You'll tú slucht don leabhar ar an suíomh. You'll get an extract from the book on the site. Agus mar sin béitún an fhollamach an dat nó an leabhar leat. And that way you'll be able to decide, will I enjoy this book? Freisin, you'll tú glúis an leabhar. You'll also get a word list from the book. Agus mí nó is sin na focail Gaeilge a hastíonn leis an leabhar léamh. And this will explain the Irish words that you need to read the book. Freisin ar an suíomh tá nasc leis an leabhar iomlán a cheannach. You'll also get a link on the site of where you can buy the book in full. Rud eile do chreite faoin suíomh ná bhfuil podcréile mísúlachab a phléins leabhar gach mí. One more unbelievable thing about the website is they have a monthly podcast that discusses books each month. Gach mí tagann siad le chéile le play a dhéanamh ar leabhar na mísa. Every month they come together to discuss that month's book of the month. Agus uaireanta freisin chuireann siad agaibh ar scríbhneoir an leabhar sin. And sometimes even they do an interview with the book's writer. Tá níos mó ná 150 leabhar pléite gob ar clubleabhar.com. Clubleabhar.com has discussed more than 150 books to date. Bhuailling de tosú le rud éigin éasca mar granán, cosúil le Asterix nó Tintin. I'd advise you starting with something easy, like a comic book, for example Asterix, Tintin, or even Heartstopper. No tosú le rud a bhfuil an scéal ar eolas go tana, or start with something where you already know the story. Cosúil le Sherlock Holmes, Cúna Baskerville. For example, a Sherlock Holmes story, The Hound of the Baskervilles. Seas an pointe seo le leabhar nachhfuil ar an suíomh seo ar nói cosúil le Harry Potter. This stands to reason with books that aren't on the website also, such as Harry Potter as Gaeilge. Feice sibh seo tá an suíomh seo iontoch le hachuine iontocht an elamór. You can see here this website is absolutely fantastic with great resources for an Irish learner. An bhfuil tosa chun leabhar Gaeilge rial? Are you going to try reading an Irish book? Má tá mulla uat ar sean raibh fág trachtracht these. If you're looking for a suggestion in any particular genre, leave a comment below. Ach sin é a chuirde gur mágah vasach de bhela maneo. But that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for coming. Agus míle buchas le Gaelchultúr a current in Club Leabhar Fall. And many thanks to Gaelchultúr that run the website clubleabhar.com. Go dtí an chéad ceann eile, a Shane, a dó, a trí.